But wait, there's more. Call in the next 5 minutes and you'll get the full judgment poncho. For when there's no salvaging the situation and the only way forward is total surrender. You'll get the Secret Escape Guide, Volume 3. The sprint, the sidestep, and the strategic cough. Packed with advanced techniques like the sudden limp, the fake phone call exit, this manual ensures you'll leave the restroom with your head held high, even if your pants are, well, questionable. Hide your stench for air freshener. For when the restroom is a little too public and your stench is capable of melting paint from the walls.